guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Titi, and if you're joining me here for the first time, please feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, so this video is a short quick video on how to do your crochet and make it look like actual braids, and people can not easily tell that it is crochet. So first of all, what I'm doing is I am cutting the hair, the front side of the hair. So now this is me trying to make sure the cutting is very straight and not crooked. Okay, so after cutting it all around, I pack the middle hair so I can weave the one I already cut out. So now this is me combing it out to ensure that it is not tangled. You just want to comb it out and then weave it. So I weave the front. Then after weaving the front, after weaving the front, I unpacked the middle hair, so I'm about to make all back in the middle. So using attachment is optional. You can use your natural hair and you can want to use attachment. So right now I am making all back in the middle. Your all back doesn't need to be too tight. You can just make it a flat kind of all back to enable the pin pass through your hair. Now, okay, so I am still doing the all back. So weaving the hair is actually very simple. You don't need to be a professional to weave your hair, and the hair doesn't have to be too tight. Like I said, so the pin can pass through. So now I'm almost half done with the weaving, and as you can see, it's not too tight. It's kind of flat. You want it to be flat. If not, when you're passing through the pin, the hair is going to be painful for whoever you're making the hair for. So now there's something I want to highlight in this part. As after every all back I make, I add the end to a new hair, to a new strap. Okay guys, so now the tip was too long, so I had to cut it. So after cutting it, I was trying to use my crochet pin to try to wiggle my way around and pin it to the natural hair itself, but I couldn't do that. So what did I even do? I couldn't do that, so you can see I was really struggling with the pin. So what did I even do? I couldn't do that, so I was really struggling with the pin, so I had to stop it. So this is just more of me struggling my way through. Well guys, don't do this method unless you are not using attachment. If you're using your natural hair, you can actually pin your natural hair to one of the all back and just go along a normal day. But I couldn't do that because the attachment was too thick and too long. So I ended up burning the tips with a lighter. What do you call it? A lighter. Yeah, and this is just me burning the tips more. So after all this mega, I had to use needle and thread to sew it in. So I couldn't, oh my god, so I wouldn't take any more time. So this is just me sewing it in. And your sewing doesn't have to be really tight, so that when you're losing the hair, you can actually see the thread you use. Just a loose kind of sewing. So after sewing, okay, let's stop. So guys, this is what it looks like after sewing. So now remember we matted the front hair, so now I'm just going to braid it 1-1. So now wait, this was so fast. Okay, so now I had already braided half of the hair. So you want your braids to be tiny as possible, or I don't think tiny, just any normal size you want. But your braids don't have to be too tight, guys. If it's too tight, you're going to struggle passing the actual braid, the crochet, through the hair. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So this is just me showing you my handwork. Now this is the part where you pass your crochet through the hair. So wait, I think I was lost during this part, so I was really lost. Okay, because I was lost. So let's chill. I was literally lost in this part. Just see how I'm messing up. Okay, now this is time I understood what I was doing. So you pass your pin through the hair, the individual braid. Sorry, the individual braid. When you pass your pin through the hair, you put your crochet in the pin and you lock it and drag the crochet out. It's very easy, guys. And then take the end of your crochet, open the pin again, put it in, close, drag out. Okay, more mess up. Yes, drag out. That is it. So now the part that people like ask me questions when I actually go out with my braids and my crochet is like, wait, how did you hide your natural hair? So now you're going to put in your natural hair in the crochet with the pin. So this is just what I'm going to show you now. You put in the pin through the crochet, you take your natural hair, jeez, and drag it out. Yes. So you're going to like, so if your hair is really long, you're going to like, it's going to take a lot of time to really pass your hair through your crochet, but it is worth it because it makes it look like actual braids. So you put in your pin through your hair, take your actual hair, put it in the crochet, drag it out, and then you're going to just do that till all your hair is lost in the crochet. Yes, and that is it for the first one. As you can see, my hair is nowhere to be found. Oh, sorry, your hair is nowhere to be found. Now I'm going for the second crochet. Wait, okay. So guys, I was already done doing half of the front, so I decided to start doing the all back. The all back is way easier than the front because you don't have to put in any extra hair into the crochet. You just have to put in your pin, take in your crochet, drag it out. Yes, oops, yes, drag it out and then lock it in. That's all you have to do for the all back. So the all back is way faster than doing one. So that's why most people do like just all back all through their hair and they are done with their crochet. But you want to make your crochet look very natural, like actual braids, and so that's why I always prefer doing I think what you call it, one at the front. So this is just me doing more of it. And guys, I just want to add in a quick tip. If you're going to use all back, so guys, a quick tip, if you're going to do this method, make sure that when you're cutting your one in front, you are actually blocking the passage of your all back. So in case you're doing a center parting, your center parting is not too deep to the back, so you're actually doing a braid that will actually block the passage of your center parting. So guys, as you can see, I am done, but the crochet was not enough. That's why we have space in between the all back. But when you're doing the textile, just make sure you have enough crochet at hand. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, most importantly, and share with your friends. Yay! So I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Guys, I forgot to add, this is the third time she's using this particular crochet. So if you need a tutorial on how to reuse your crochet, that is how to wash and moisturize a crochet for another use, please leave that in the comment section below and I will be so glad to shoot another video talking about that.